Here I have MOTOROLA Defy, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to go to the Files application, which you have like pre-installed on your smartphone. So you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and others, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some image. Whoa, what a hot images I have here. But I'm just gonna transfer this one. So then you tap here, select if you want to move this image or if you want to copy it. Then tap continue and image will be copied to SD card. And as you can see, now I can find it on my SD card in the download folder. And here it is. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.